Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a brochure for my client. I have already made a brochure for my client, so you can see here the brochure looks very good and it is polished design and western style. So you can see here. So if I show you, and the color combination is my own. I have 15 years experience, more than 15 years experience to doing this. So I want to show you how to create a stunning brochure. This tutorial may be a long, not a short video. This tutorial long because to show you every tips, it takes long. So don't skip. If you skip, so you can't mistake some tools. So this is, and to do this I used Inkscape. This is Inkscape, the vector graphics software Inkscape, or in other hand you can use the Lunacy and Figma Studio, but I use the Lunacy. Lunacy, it is the alternate of the software Figma, but Inkscape is good because Inkscape has a good color theory. Because this one you can see here, lots of color here. This is the company color. So the green color is the company background, and this yellow color, I combine this color. So 60, 30 and 10, these combined rules I have used to make this brochure. So how to make this one very stunning, very stunning. So you can see here, very stunning. So how you can do this work? So at first I ungroup this one. So you can see here what I'm using, using my mouse, right click, this click stop. So this is the about, what font I'm using, what color I'm using. So the main basic color, this is the basic color of company logo, so I'm using this color. So how to do this one, how to make this art? So this is a transparent background. You can see here, this is a transparent background, this is the transparent character. It's a transparent character. First you need first you open the file. First open, because the brochure, this size is the A4 size. To open the size, you first new from template. And you can choose this one, create from template. This is the A4 size, and you have to choose this rectangular type and activate this magnetic field, the magnetic tool. So you can see here, and you choose this one, the choose one, which is very light color, natural color. It's not a natural, it's a very light color. This is the natural color, and close without saving. So go back in my main folder. So how you can download this file, this type of file. So I can change. You can see here, I have put this in VMAX logo here. So you can change the logo here to choose this one, or you can see here, here what keyboard I am using. This is the F2 F function 2. So to you can see here, you can change this color, this color, this color, this color. Okay, this is the default color you can choose here. And if you choose this one, so you can choose everything is I have downloaded the svg file, .svg or .ai file. So Inkscape easily import a .ai file or .svg file. This is svg file, universal raw format of vector graphics software, and AI. This is only for Illustrator can import the .ai file format, but this Inkscape can import .ai and .svg. So how you can download this type of file? So to download this file, you can go this one. So this website. So at first you open the Freepik, and Freepik, click on the vector, not all image, only vector. Okay. For vector graphics, you can see here, because I have already, because you can see here some are, they provide some free file to download. You can see here, this is not a free file. This is not a free file. You can see here, this is a free file. Click on in here. Click in here, download button, and click on this is a EPS file. EPS also can import the Inkscape. This is, so if you want to click on here, so you can see here there is a AI file available. You can see here the AI file available. So when I download this one, you can see here I have already downloaded this file. So you can see here SVG file or something like that, AI file. You can see here AI file, that right click and open with Inkscape. So you can see here, this is an example I have freely downloaded and give the attributed to the artist. So you can see here, that I can easily separate the some part from here. So I have closed this one. So this is the main thing, how to download this file. So the same process I have used this one. When I ungroup this one, Control plus G, you can see here, this is totally different design I have already downloaded from freepik.com. And this one I want to show you how you can insert, you can create this icon one by step one. So first you have to download the brochure reference. This is my reference. I have already downloaded this one. This type of ratio I have. This is my reference this is my reference image. So this is not exactly the same what I have already shown you on the above of this of my file. This is the reference image. This is not exactly. So if you focus this one, you can see here this file is the same file. You can see here the same file. So I want to show you the what text I used. This is a Roboto. This is also Roboto. This is the Nexa file. This is the universal. You can download the Roboto file from Google Font or the font freely. So when after download this character, I I changes this color, the actual, this is not the actual color, so I put it here, see, and I want to go to the next page. So if you how you can create this one, just fix this pen tool, click on here, click on here, click on here, and press the control button, click on here and click on in here. So click on yellow button and yellow button, or ah, this is a this is the, or you can use this color hex code. This is the hex code. This is the green color hex code, the main color. So I want to show you the next one, how I can this one. So I have already this one. This is my BZ color. So how you can create this logo? So first I want to delete this one and delete this one. This is the main thing what I have already used. First, the bold color, PRESS space NFV, use the Roboto, use the bold, use this one, fresh, and change gray color and duplicate this one and change the text and change the waffle to medium, or you can use the normal font or use this one, or to align this text, use the align button. You can find the aligner, this one in here, or select the last selected and select this one. So you can see here, okay, press conference, and how you can create this one. So at first you create and press the control button, make it round and choose the color, or you can choose this color from here, this here. Okay, you can choose from here, or color picker from here, or how you can put this icon. So to do this, go to the web browser and traditional web browsing. So if you put a documents, any type of documents icon, Shilhoti, so you can see here, this is the lots of the documents are here. So put it on here and copy the image and go to the file, raw file, paste it in here, So placed it on here. You can see here the trace mapper, trace bitmap. So you should always download the black and white file to it can easily trace from black and white image, and choose the dimension 10. You can see here, and aligned it just middle, on change this color on here. You can see here, that I have already made this icon. So this is one thing. So how you can, this is the underline. To make an underline, create the pen tool, press Ctrl and hit enter, and press F1. So click on here. So go to this button, stroke pen, change the stroke 0.3, press this one, and color picker and press shift pick. So for border fill, press the shift. Okay, so this is the technique to create a this one, and page number 1 you can see here, or if you want to choose this is separate, this is a transparent. I have already installed it from FreePic. If you want to change this color, just press function 2 or press node tool. You can select this every polygon separately. So if you change this color, so you can see here the color already changed. So this is the main technique I have, using this technique to job this done. So the main thing is to looks good. It is very important what color you are using. The main thing is the color combination. Color combination means the theory of the color. So you can see here, this one I have already made this one and contact. So this is, everything is the same. So if I show you this color, you can see here all the file I have made. So it is very stunning, very looks good. So this is the process that you can follow my process to make stunning any kind of brochure, flyer, so any kind of vector graphics, vector graph. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tutorial. Bye bye.